The next question is 50 ml of 0.1 molar of a weak acid HA is titrated with 0.1 molar NaOH. The ionization constant of HA is 1.8 10 power minus 5. Using the given information and from the options shown below, the best indicator for the titration of HA with NaOH is. Now actually in this when you titrate a weak acid with a strong base, the pH curve, the variation of pH with the volume of NaOH added is like this. Because at the equivalence point the salt formed is of strong base and weak acid, so the pH at the equivalence point is more than 7. So this is the equivalence point, so this is somewhere 7 here. So the sharp change in the pH in the vicinity of the equivalence point takes place from this to this value. Because it is a strong base, this value is around 10 point something, and this value is around just close to 7, just slightly less than 7, 6 point something. So any indicator changing the color in this range from 6 to 10 something will be useful in this titration, because what we want from the indicator is to change the color when the last drop of the base is added, when it is when the volume equal to the equivalence point is added in that. So the sharp change, the color change can only take place if there is a sharp change in the pH around that midpoint, around the equivalence point. So if we choose methyl orange, it changes the color in 3.2 to 4.4. Both of these values are below the they are not lying in the range, vertical region of this titration. So this cannot be used in this. Next is methyl red. Again, this goes from 4 to 6.3. Both values are less than that, so can't be used. Phenolphthalein changes the color from 8.3 to 11. Now that is correct, because this will change the color in this region, which is the subset or which lies on the vertical region of this acid-base titration. So you can remember this, that for a weak acid and strong base, or a strong acid and strong base, when the base is strong, the indicators which change color in the basic region would be useful, like phenolphthalein, which changes the color from 8.3 to 11, or other indicator which change the color in the same region, that is in basic region. And if the acid is strong and base is strong or weak, then we need to take that indicator which changes the color in the acidic region, like methyl orange, okay, or methyl red, so acidic region. So in that indicator, in that titration, methyl orange would be more useful. So for the given question, because the base is strong, acid is weak, we will choose phenolphthalein as indicator for this titration. So correct answer is option C.